Hey YouTube, got another video for y'all today. This is on a Kawasaki Mule. This is a 2510 and it has the Kawasaki 620cc motor. A fairly common motor. It's used in a lot of the Gators and a lot of the newer mules and all that. But thought I'd show y'all. So this one's having a problem. It has a clutch problem, which is what I was addressing here, but it also has a cold start issue. It only runs good when it's warm. And it's very cold natured. It takes forever to warm up. I'm going to show y'all how to fix that. I see it really common on these Kawasaki engines, and let me just show y'all. So it's just as simple as a valve adjustment. So you can see I already loosened this one, so it has a little slop in it now, but this one's tight, so it's not going to have good compression when it's cold. Whenever it warms up, the compression kind of comes back, but whenever it's cold, it's not going to have good compression with this valve being tight. So to fix that, all you do is you take, on this one's a 9mm, but usually they're 10mm that do it. But you're gonna loosen up this lock nut, and then you will back off the center a little bit. You can put a little wrench or pliers on there and back it off, and then you'll tighten it back down. And you're supposed to use a feeler gauge to go in there and set the distance properly. I'm just kind of used to doing this, so I kind of know what it is just by eyeballing it. But so you'll put a feeler gauge in there and adjust it. There's plenty of videos online about how to adjust the valves, but a lot of people don't know that these Kawasaki's are really bad about it. So yeah, let me adjust the valves and I'll show y'all a cold start. All right, so I got the valves adjusted and all the valve covers are back on. So I did start this already, but it does start way easier now. Choke it. I started only for a second just to make sure it started. So it didn't have time to warm up, but now it's idling, which it did not do before. So it was very, very warm. So hopefully that helps someone out. And like I said, it's pretty common across a lot of Kawasaki's. So don't think this is just mules. I see it very often on the Bruteforce 750s and the 650 engines. So hopefully this helps someone out, and have a good day.